In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at the color palette. The color palette is down here, and you have, this is the main color, and then down here it will keep track of the 6 of the last colors that you used. So if I want to change the color, I just click on this main color large palette, and it'll open up this color selector dialog box. And I can change the colors 4 different ways. The first one is what's called this HSL, and that stands for hue, saturation, and lightness. And I can move the color around. I could also move it here, which changes it from a dark color to a light color and everything in between. I can see my hue, saturation, and lightness sliders move as I adjust the color. I can also move around the rainbow. What I get over here on the right hand side is I get the old color, the new color. I get a few shades of that color as well. This is the hue value, saturation value, lightness value. This is what's called a hexadecimal value. This is the color value that's used for web pages. I also have what's called RGB, and RGB stands for reds, greens, and blues, and those are the 3 primary colors when dealing with images on the web. So you have my red, you have blue and green, and then it's going to be the shades of the combination of all those, and I can continue to move my sliders to give me the color that I'm looking for. I could also use this very interactively. I also have what's called web, and these are going to be some of the most common web colors used. If I'm a little indecisive about which colors to use, this is always a great place to start, just because I can select a main color. And then what I also have is this image tab, and this is going to be available when I actually have an image open in the background. And what this does is it picks up the 160 of the most common used colors inside of the image that I have open. So if I want to go in and change my color, I can do it any number of ways, and then when I'm done, if this is the color that I want to use, I just simply hit OK, and that's going to be the new color for my tools.